Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Fran and I make these videos every week with the Sunnybank Trust. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. This week's theme is Winnie the Pooh Day. I'm really excited about this because Winnie the Pooh was one of my favourite characters growing up. We're going to be making these cute little Winnie the Poohs today out of paper plates. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some scissors and a pencil, some red card and 2 pieces of yellow card, some liquid glue and a glue stick, 2 paper plates and some tape. We have another template this week, find it in the caption below. If you're printing your template you will need a printer and some paper. If you're tracing your template you'll need your laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Here's how you can trace your template. Turn your brightness up to 100% and place your paper on top. Gently trace with your pencil around the lines of the template. With your scissors, cut out the shapes in your template. Don't forget to recycle. Take out one of your paper plates. Apply a liquid glue all over your paper plate. Take out a yellow piece of card and apply it to half of your paper plate. Press on your paper into the plate to make sure it sticks. Take out your red card and apply this card to the remaining half of your paper plate. Remember to press down onto your card again to make sure that it sticks properly to the plate. Leave this piece to dry somewhere. Take out your other paper plate. We're going to cut around this circle here in the middle of the paper plate. Apply glue using your glue stick to the shape. Take your other piece of yellow card and stick this to your circle shape. Turn it over and cut around the edge. We're going to use our yellow offcuts for the next part, so please don't throw this away. Take your ears, arms and leg templates from earlier and glue these down to your yellow card. I would use a glue stick for this as they would dry quicker. Using your scissors, cut around the template shapes through your yellow card. Take out your paper plate covered by your yellow and red card from before. We're going to turn it over to the back and cut around it. Save your scrap paper and card when you can. Take your small yellow circle shape and turn it over to the other side. You'll then want to take your two small ear shapes, yellow side down, and place them on top of your circle shape. These will be for the ears. Tape on your two ear shapes to the back of your circle shape. Keep your face shape to one side. Make sure that you turn it round so that the red side is at the top and the yellow side is at the bottom. Now we're going to flip it over to the back and place it down. Take out two of your leg shapes. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Both the arms and the leg templates are the same. Tape them down to the back of your paper plate, right at the bottom. Add your two remaining arm shapes to either side of your paper plate at the top. Using your tape, attach these arms to the back of your paper plate. Now we've done the body shape, we're going to flip it over to the other side. Apply a liquid glue to the top of your body shape, right where the neck should be. Apply your head shape to the top, where you've put the glue. Our Winnie the Pooh has finally taken shape. Now we need to work on the face. I would recommend using a pencil first to draw the face. Then we can go over in black pencil once we're happy with it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Winnie the Pooh today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.